Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how to draw this glass bowl in SolidWorks. So let's begin. So just click here and select part and click OK. Now go to sketch and select this sketch, and from here select top plane. Now exit. Okay, now go to features and from reference geometry select plane and click here, and from here click on top plane and take this dimension 100 millimeter and click on OK. Now click on spacebar and click on normal 2. Now go to sketch and select circle, and from the center draw a circle. Okay, now go to smart dimension and take the dimension 300 millimeter. Okay, now select this circle as well, and from this point draw a circle. Okay, smart dimension, take this dimension 40. Okay, now from here select circular sketch pattern, and for this one select the center, and for introduce to pattern select the circle. Okay, now take this one 15 degree and remove this one, and also remove this one. Again take this one 15 degree. Now check this one. So if you get this one, now click OK. Now click on trim entities. Now trim these parts. Just trim these parts. Trim these parts. Okay. Again select circle, and from the center draw a circle. Okay, smart dimension and take this 140 as well. Okay, now again select circular sketch pattern, and for this one select this circle, and for introduce to pattern select this arc and also this arc, and for this one make it increase this one. Okay, so if they touch, that means okay, so it is 12 here. Okay, now again select trim entities and remove this circle. Okay, now select top plane and sketch. Again top plane, select sketch and click on spacebar, select normal 2 and select circle and draw a circle in the top plane, and okay, go to smart dimension and take this one 120 millimeter. Okay, exit. Now go to features, select lofted boss or base. Now click here. Okay, now from here select this one, normal to profile. It is one, and also from here normal to profile, and increase this value 1.1, 2, 3, 4. Not exactly actually. 2. Make it increase this one also. 2. If I decrease this one and increase this one, okay, again decrease this one. Okay, now you can just adjust these two value and make a good shape for this one as your according to your preference. Now click here. Okay, now click on shell and take this one 5mm and select shell outward and click here and click on OK. So this is the basic shape of our glass bowl. Now just hide this plane. Okay, now click here. Now just select appearance. From appearance select glass, and from the glass I am selecting thick glass, and there are various colors, and you can select this one, this color, or either you can select this color, either you can select this color, and if you click here also you can check the color. Okay, so this is our desired glass bowl, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.